Introducing the Nous door frame from Vista Architectural, the unique, all-new frame that's been designed by installers, for installers. It is the only door frame on the market that guarantees a perfect fit for your door and frame every time. It's also the only frame you can order without having to complete an Excel sheet detailing to the last millimeter where you need your hinges and strike plates positioned. In this video, we'll demonstrate the single glazed version. There is also a double glazed version available. All Nous frames are held in stock in the 4 common RAL colors. The Nous frame has 3 angle brackets for the head-to-post miter joints. Frame heads come pre-drilled for your self-tapping screws to give you a perfectly secure miter joint. Let's look at the hinge fixing first. Take a hinge plate, 1 per hinge, and drop the stainless grommets into the back. Flip your frame upside down and slide the hinge plate in. Remember, this must be done before the frame is installed. Slide your hinge plate into the approximate position. Take your hinge, line it up with the hinge plate and fix with the 2 machine screws. As there's no preset machining on the frame, we can position this hinge wherever we need to, up or down, backward or forwards. Okay, we think we have the correct position for our hinges, and so we lock the hinge plate in position by tightening the grub screw and the 2 machine screws on the hinge. We then push the hinges into the open position and prepare them to accept the glass door. We would then lift our door onto the hinges, tighten up all the bolts, and have our door ready to swing. We swing the door, and invariably we find the door needs to be adjusted to some degree. That's no problem. We slacken off the grub screw and go again until we have the door swinging perfectly. We can now secure the hinges finally by pilot drilling the other 2 holes and securing with self-tapping screws. To finish off, we cut our infill pieces to length and click them into place around our hinges. These clip in very snug and hide all the screws you've used to secure the frame back to the substructure. They also give the hinges the appearance of being machined into the frame. Now let's look at the strike plate element of the Nous frame. It works on the same principle as the hinge plates. With the grommets in the back of the plate, flip your frame upside down and slide the plate into the frame. Again, this must be done before your frame is installed. Line up your strike plate and lightly fasten the machine screws. Again, because of the Nous design, there are no limits to where the strike can be fitted on the frame, meaning you will always have a door that latches perfectly tight. Once perfect positioning has been established, tighten the grub screw and the 2 machine screws. Once again, clip in either side of your strike plate for the perfect flush finish. Visually, we now have a strike plate that has a perfect machined-in look. We also have a smaller infill for those who prefer strike plates and hinges to be surface fixed. This infill works particularly well with the Primeline PL1310 free swing hinges. The Nous frame has been designed to work perfectly with Vista Architectural's range of hinges. For frameless glass doors, the Primeline PL1310, the PL101 liftoff and the hydraulic below hinges all work perfectly. It's also suited to 44 mm thick timber and aluminum acoustic doors, which have also been tested with stunning results. This truly is a door frame for every scenario that will save you time and money every time.